We're heading up to Valleyview Provincial Park, scoping out some campsites. Hopefully we can do some camping there. We were supposed to do it last year, but we had to do a last minute cancellation due to a change in our schedules.
We're Kirsty and Les, and we explore the Canadian Maritime provinces with our 3 dogs.
Join us each week as we visit some of our favorite places and discover new ones along the way.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Here at Valleyview Provincial Park, we came in through an access road and then went in the trail on the back side of the park. It's a nice trail, not groomed, which I wouldn't expect, but the frozen footprints make it for a little bit of a rough walk, as you can see by the bouncing here.
Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the
After we finally got into the park on the trails, the rough terrain was great for us because we've got our crampons all on. The dogs, they started slipping and sliding, so we decided to call it a day for this trail and head back to the Jeep.
see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
We left Valleyview Provincial Park and decided to go for a drive west along the coast and ended up in Delaps Cove. So we're going to stop by and see if we can get to the trail.
Even if I don't let you go, I am not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show,
Making it down to Delaps Cove Trail, we decided we're gonna just stop right where it is now and turn around. The road's a little slick, and as you can see on the other side of this bridge that I'm standing on, it's not really that clear, so we decided not to play ice capades in the Jeep, and we'll come back another day, maybe when it's not so icy.
everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Oh, everything makes total sense. When you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me.
It was an icy day, but we still got a nice hike in and a fun drive. Thanks for coming along with us. Now we're off to our next adventure. Yep.